Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to block someone on War Thunder. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, launch open your War Thunder application on your device. Also make sure to log into your account. Once logged in, from the main home page, tap on the human icon located at the bottom of the screen. This will then open up your player search option. If you want to go ahead and block someone from your friend list, make sure to tap on friends and select one of the friends from your list. You can also search for a person in the search box, and once you find their profile, simply tap on it. Now in the right hand corner, you will need to tap on add to blacklist, and that way you will be able to block someone on War Thunder. You will then be able to find the contact inside your blacklist. So that's how easily it is done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.